Hey guys, Chucky the Chocolate Lover here, and I have my friend AntVenom64. Hey, today we're going to be building a basketball court. If I don't lag like I am now. Okay, this is very laggy. Wow, it's even laggy to move. Can I jump? We were going to be building a basketball court. It would have been a lot more helpful if we could move, that's for sure. Okay, it's a bit better. Actually, I'll pause the video just to try to find a flat land, so see you then. Okay guys, we're back. I just decided to go into a flat land, found this nice little village. And after all, it's not that laggy. So, to get started, you're going to want some black wool, or pretty much anything except red. Or you can have a really weird, that's just blacksmith of Gondor. We're using the Lord of the Rings more, that's why you see some like blacksmith hammer and stuff. Or spawn blacksmith. Oh, anyway. So we want to do 49 blocks long. Oh yeah, forgot this was a Mac. What settings is this on? It's not my computer. It's my friend's here. So whoa, is it? Oh, I thought I saw some castle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll be back once I've got 49. Okay, so we've got 49 now. I'm just gonna get some 30 across. Shouldn't be too long. I love this song. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna fill out that. I'm not gonna make you watch, so see ya then. Yo guys, I'm frozen! This no good! Okay guys, I'm back. I just had to set the time to 0 after a bit of waiting for the lag to go away. But unfortunately, there's a lot of mobs. Now, we're just gonna find the middle, which will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be back when I can count. Okay, so your next step will be to try to find the middle of the court. Well, there's no exact middle, just go closest to the middle. And then build a center line, try to find closest to the middle, and put a stone block for the jump section. And I'll be back, I have no idea, but my friend just left me to get something. I'll be back when I find him. So, see you then. Okay, so Our next step now is to build the Red Cross. No, it's not the hospital you'll think. I'm sorry, I did do something wrong in this video. You want to get rid of these and these if you've already put them. Now you're going to get your red wool, place them. So 2 each time. And my DJ here is back. Aren't you, DJ?
Yeah.
So now...
I'm not even a DJ, guys. I'm just doing my best.
No, it's not how it goes. So that, and that. So 3. And then, again, you're going to you don't have to break it. You just have to go. Okay. This is a good song for what I'm doing. No, not lag, please no. Okay, it's better. To survive, to prosper, to die. No, why would you die? Yeah, what, DJ? Anthem 64.
How'd you die?
I died because... Oh, about my death point. Oh, I died when I did kill mobs because I wanted to get the mobs out of the way and I killed myself. Didn't mean to. Oh, okay. So once you've done that, you want to go. You want to get a block there. I think that's right. Yeah, okay. Then that one. Where you going, DJ? Wait. Alright, it's Minecraft. I have to do so complicated. With that. Okay. No, still don't get this. So 3, why is that 4? I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I think I got the design now. We've just had a look at my previous basketball court, and it goes like this. So, now we're going to pull out our red wool again, and just fill in the gaps to make the center of the court. Not very complicated. Now, you might find some tutorials on YouTube, but this is probably the best basketball court. Now, so we built that. Oh my God, really? I just realized. Why isn't it working? Thank you. Okay, now, no, that's just M, by the way. Well, that's for the mini-map. And, oh, seriously, I gotta be back. Sorry about all the pausing, but I really gotta go. Just forgot the time. See you later. Guys, I'm back. This is the end of part 1 of how to build a basketball court. DJ, say bye.
Bye.
See you guys later in part 2 of how to finish a basketball court. Might not get it all done, but hopefully we will. Sayonara. Shaki, over and out. And DJ, his actual name, and Venom64. See you later, guys.